What's going on, guys? Chris here with Tactical Outdoorsman, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about 300 Blackout. Freedom Munitions sent us 3 different rounds to test out, and we're going to put them into some ballistic gel so you guys can see what kind of damage they do. So stick around. Alright, so here we go. We're going to start out with the Hush 220 grain hollow point bowtail. Alright, so there you can see we made impact. Now that projectile pretty much hit very close to dead center, but it took a right turn and exited the first ballistics gel block. So we did not capture the projectile on this one, and later on in the video you'll see that there's going to be 4 entrances of a bullet entering the ballistics gel. I tried to do a second 220 grain at the end of the video, but that projectile came out as well. So here's the 150 grain soft point, and this one is going to do a little bit more damage. So that went in above and to the left of the first round, and we did capture the projectile on this one. It made it about halfway through the second block of ballistics gel. Now these ballistic gels, I believe they were 16 inches long each, so just to give you an idea. Alright, now the 110 grain VMAX, and this one we captured the projectile as well. So this one goes right above the last round, and you can see what a mess that made. The VMAX broke apart and mushroomed out and stopped about 2 inches before the end of the first gel block and didn't make it to the second. At the end of this, you'll see that there's 4 entries of projectiles coming into the ballistic gel. I tried to do a second round on the 220 grain to see if I was able to capture that projectile, but it did the same thing. It kind of made a right turn out of the first block and went out into the berm somewhere, so we didn't get the 220 grain projectile. Alright, so let's take a look at some of the pictures. You can see that 110 grain projectile there at about 14 inches, and then you can see the 150 grain soft point at about 22.5 inches. So this is a bunch of the damage from the VMAX. You can see the 3 different wound cavities there. The top one is the VMAX, the second one is the 150 grain soft point, and the bottom one was the 220 grain, just so you can see the damage that these guys cause. And you can see that 150 grain flipped once it hit the second gel block. It looks like it came out straight, and then when it entered the second block, it just kind of tumbled. Alright, so that's all I got for you guys on this one. Big shout out to the people who sponsored this video. Caldwell, they gave us the shooting rest and the precision turret rest, and Anderson Manufacturing provided us this 300 Blackout rifle, topped with EOTech's EXPS2, and of course a Clear Ballistics Gel. So thanks to Clear Ballistics, we were able to perform this test, and Freedom Munitions. So big shout out to all you guys, we appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next video.